In today's video, we are going to see the power of Finviz currency heatmap. I've been talking about the Finviz currency heatmap and how you can use it. In this video, I will be sharing with you some of the great insight about how to use this information correctly. This video is going to be one of its kind. I know this is not my first video when it comes to Finviz altogether, but I think I have a better examples to be sharing with you in this video. And based on the questions and requests I received on my social media handle, I decided to come here and create a better version of all the video I've been creating, especially when it comes to Forex currency heatmap. This video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how you can use the Finviz currency heatmap correctly. Even if you're starting today as a complete beginner trader who is just getting started new, this video is going to be informational for you. One thing I want you to do for me, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with family and friends because that will help me a lot. Come to think of it, what is Finviz.com, or let's say what is Finviz currency heatmap? This is a kind of heatmap that will single-handedly show you exactly what currency is rising versus the other currency that is falling. And in this video, you are going to be seeing that step by step. Because if you leave so early, there's no doubt you are going to miss the main information in this video. Now, I don't want to waste much of your time. Remember to subscribe because that will help you a lot as well. Because if I drop a brand new video just like this one, of course, you'll be the first person to get notification. Now, without wasting any of your time, let's dive into my desktop where I will be sharing the whole thing with you step by step. Let's go. If you come here, you're going to see I am on Finviz.com, and Finviz come in two ways. We have the free version and we have the elite version. The elite version is a premium version because what is contained on the elite version is more compared to that of the free version. Now, with the free version, you also have like nearly total control of what you're looking for, especially if you're starting new as a beginner trader with very few knowledge about Forex. The free version will do everything you like step by step. Let's go. If you come here, of course, I have the Finviz currency heatmap. And if you look here, you're going to see I am on the Forex tab. The Forex tab gives me all the necessary information I like about the Finviz. This dashboard is beautiful because I have the unique currency pairs and some of the stocks that I need just to play around with it. I have the USD JPY down to GBP JPY, crude oil, gold, and BTC USD. I think this is beautiful altogether. But this is the exact thing we're looking for here. This is called the relative one-day performance in USD. I love it so much because it's giving me exactly what I look for, especially when I want to use the Finviz currency heatmap. The truth about the whole thing is that if you use this software correctly, you will stand the chance to trade the financial markets without getting lost, because the financial market itself is 100% random. I'm not telling you that if you use Finviz.com, you're going to be making money all day long. Remember, the market itself is 100% random and is 100% super risky. But the truth about the whole thing is that if you're starting new with zero knowledge about Forex, then Finviz will help you a lot. If you come here, you're going to see we're looking at this at 5 minutes, and you can select this to go for 1 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. But for now, let's look at it at the 5-minute relative performance. Now, if you look here, you're going to see that the JPY is rising versus the Swiss franc, which is a CHF. JPY rise to 0.70%, while the CHF is falling below 0.21%. This is exactly what I want you to be looking at, because this is exactly what you should be combining in order to make this informed decision I always say time to time. Now, if I combine the JPY and the CHF, I will have a currency pair called the CHF JPY, which is the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. And this is also a currency pair that I know many traders are trading nowadays in order to make money. Now, but the truth about the whole thing is that whatsoever I see on the Finviz currency heatmap, that's exactly what I will be trading. I will not kind of said, just because it's not Euro USD, I will not trade it, because the Finviz.com kind of expose the currency in each individual currency for you without any stress, right? So if you look at this is exactly what is happening right now. And the next currency that is rising is the New Zealand dollar, which is the NZD. And then the next currency that is falling, which is the Canadian dollar, minus 0.06% in the 5-minute time frame. Now, we are going to be seeing that because I will be opening my chart on tradingview.com, and we're going to compare exactly, we're going to interpret exactly what we are seeing on Finviz.com right now on my chart, and we're going to see if exactly what it means. Let's go. If you come here, of course, we are on the chart. So let's click on this, my tradingview.com account, and here we are on tradingview.com, and magnificent. If you pay attention to here, you're going to see that the currency I select is the CHF Japanese yen, and beautiful, you can see that throughout the day, the CHF Japanese yen was falling and falling and falling. And of course, it reached a support area and is forming a support level at the spot, right? But overall, that the CHF JPY is falling. Like throughout today, I'm looking at this at the 1 hour time frame, but throughout today, you can see the CHF JPY is falling. And that's exactly what I wanted to interpret. If you take a look again at Finviz.com, JPY is CHF. You can see JPY is rising because it's the quote currency, while the CHF is falling, which is the base currency. And if you go back here, you're going to see that CHF JPY is falling at the moment, right? Beautiful. This is one thing I want you to learn. Now, this is one power that I think you need to learn. One good thing you need to learn about Finviz. Understanding currency pair matters a lot, because you can just say JPY CHF, because there's no such currency has JPY CHF. Only have CHF JPY. So if you don't know how to pair them together, this is another thing that will, bring you down. You'll be struggling on how to pair them together in order to trade that same currency that you saw on your Finviz currency heat map. For me, this is beautiful because I like it so much in the sense that it shows me exactly what I want on any given time. I've known Finviz.com for the past 9 to 10 years or even more, because it's been my companion when I started trading the financial markets at my early stage in life. So what I'm trying to say in a nutshell, that this site is going to help you, especially you as a complete beginner who is just getting started, that you need some information at hand to get started. Finviz is going to help you a lot. Now let's go back to Finviz and see one more example. Now the next currency is, we're going to look at the USD, the NZD CHF, right? And of course, you can combine the NZD JPY and NZD CHF, and you can make a lot of money out of it. So now let's look at NZD CHF. Why? Because if you take a look, you're going to see NZD is rising plus 0.52% versus CHF is falling with minus 0.28%, or we can even say NZD CAD, right? NZD CAD. Let's see if we can see such currency. Let's go here straight, and we come here and then we'll look at NZD Canadian dollar. Of course, that's NZD CAD. So we're going to pick this, and you're going to see that. You know why? Because NZD here is the base currency, and then the Canadian dollar here is the quote currency. So we expect the price to rise. So if you come back to Finviz.com, you're going to see NZD as the main base currency is rising, and which is the Swiss franc or the Canadian dollar, as the quote currency is falling. So I expect NZD CAD to rise, and that's exactly what is happening here. Now, it's as simple as that. You can see after forming a base, after forming a support area, the price rises sharply. The truth about the whole thing is that you can use this at any given time, even if you're starting as a complete beginner. This video, once again, is based on request, because the same person that asked me to do the first video asked me, Joe, I didn't get a lot of information the way you promised on the video. So please, can you show some examples of how this can work on a live market? And this is exactly what you're seeing today. I'm showing you on a live market how you can possibly use the Finviz.com and make a lot of money in the financial markets. You can see that you can just make that decision on your own by just following the simple finviz.com information. Now, I don't know what to say. The link to register your account, it's 100% available in the video description below. You can go ahead and register your account. You can start with free and then you can scale up later, or you can even start with the elite version because that will also help you a lot. The link is available. Go ahead and use it just the way you want it and you can start making an informed decision. This will bring me to the end of the video with the look of things. If today's the first time you're seeing me, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. That will also help me a lot. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook, also follow me on Patreon, and you can also follow me on Rumble. There I drop a lot of contents and information about Forex, just like on this YouTube channel. Thank you once again for your time. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one, but until then I want to say bye.